Hey everyone! In this video, we'll install the Angular CLI and build our very own Angular app using the CLI to generate it. So the Angular CLI is a command line interface for Angular that is the official one that the Angular team espouses, and now it's actually part of the Angular project. So the first thing we're going to have to do is download NodeJS, which comes with NPM, which is a package manager, which will help us to install Angular. So go over to Google, type in Node. First thing that comes up, you'll see NodeJS, nodejs.org. Come on over there. And what we want is this LTS version, so you'll click on that, and you'll download the version for your respective operating system. Click Save. I usually save mine on the desktop and delete the download file later. Once you do that, follow the instructions like you're installing any other piece of software. If you run into any trouble, let me know and I can help you or make a video about that. Once you have Node installed, come over to your command line, open up a terminal, a command line, or a PowerShell, and type in node-v. What that's telling the computer is, hey, I want to know what version of Node is on my computer. You can see I have version 6.9.5. If for some reason your installation didn't work, it will give you an error and tell you Node isn't installed. So this is a good way to verify that. If it is installed, let's go ahead and now we want to type npm install. We're going to pass it the global flag, which will install this at the root level, not just at this particular project. And then we'll do @AngularCLI and type enter. And this will take a minute or two depending upon how fast your internet connection is. So I'm going to pause the video now and I'll see you on the other side of this download. Okay, now that npm has installed the Angular CLI, you'll see something like this, except your tree structure here will be much more involved. I've already installed it, so it just verified that all the files were correct. And let's see what happens. We'll do ng, which is the command for the Angular CLI. It's telling it, hey, Angular CLI, wake up. I want to do something with you. And the first command we're going to use is new. That's the command for generating a new project with the CLI. And then you give it the name of your project. I'm going to call mine Future Adventures. And again, remember, this is going to create an Angular project in the directory that you're presently in. So first, maybe navigate to a directory, make a directory for your projects. I made one in my Documents folder at Learning Angular. And when you're happy with that, press enter and you'll see the command line tool is busy at work creating all the directory, the folder structures here for your project. And now it's installing all the npm packages that's associated with an Angular project. And again, this is going to take a minute or two depending upon the speed of your internet connection. So I'm going to pause and fast forward the video and I'll see you at the other end of this download.